Hi, how are you? Max is my name. Welcome to my channel, and I have another resource to help you make money online directly to your PayPal account. Okay, now I want you to stay with me, hit the like button. Be sure to also check my most recommended resource that will help you make multiple sources of income online. Okay, so now let's go straight to the resource. Okay, now the very first website is called userlytics.com. okay, now with userlytics it's very simple to sign up. You register and you earn money, okay, by completing short and easy form on stage, joining the global community, interact with the web or mobile apps. On the other hand, okay, that's interesting. Then get paid by PayPal. You can get paid $5, $10, $15, $20. Others, it can be beyond about $90. Okay, that's what we say. So now, how does it work? Okay, if you enjoy being paid working part-time or using your applications or website from the comfort of your home whenever you are free, okay, this is the kind of opportunity for you. It will consist of completing tasks and instructions while interacting with prototypes, production websites, mobile apps, video commercials, basically gauging user experience, okay, and then get paid. You can see the whole globe is almost there, meaning it's something that can work for you wherever you are in the world, as long as you have an internet and you also have a laptop. Okay, just register here, do the reviews and get paid money. Okay, even you have a desktop or mobile phone, whatever the case, they will pay you. Let's just check the rating of this particular platform. So as you can see, this is how the inside looks like. You just sign up and then you will go ahead to use the app. Now the second resource that I want to share with you, okay, is another website called testio.com. okay, this one it does the same thing. Okay, as you can see, you come register here, become a tester, and then you go through the same kind of works. Okay, you can do regression testing, functional testing, beta testing, usability testing, explanatory, black box, and all those kind, website, mobile. Yeah, as you can see clearly, it's something to give feedback to these companies on the usability of the very many platforms that they are trying to test out. Okay, yeah, so you can register within the first 5 minutes. You probably have a task to get doing, and then you earn money. Okay, as usual guys, be sure to subscribe, hit the bell button so that you're notified every time I drop a video, and don't forget to check out my most recommended resource for making money online. Okay.